Adem. Beta gamuchu gudana dage fama city aranta da ummata saba jaza saba da ogadeli fonda agaro. Bilisuma barbadu dura tokoto fesna. So asanati CDRS sini kamna achi kaisa wale takafila ma rapi fast ligona yoda gefita na mankamu single telephone. Biya kamna biya bira nibisiye kamna biya bira no amanti kamna biya bira malsuno dorge sumargara تتماخي أجسسا تتماخي كمسسا كابيني الرسمي على قد قوفل جيسا وهي سنقوفا أولي في قدي والقودة كبا في كبا والباسا هكرا في دي إيسا ديتا بكي ديت انجرتو أتشمك دي بيتا سلطة فرطو جتخيا غافة إرقيسي قودا غونا نوتي بيك أمنا نوتي عدا كمنا نوتي إيرك أمنا مالدمني والجبنا أكا سبب bira akabiye bira tokotane arkachu kamna niyati yate beka alman oromo tu enyu tarkan fatan dugana manamu hujisatin kanamu timbekamu hujisatin kanamu tindegaramu warra hango motu masamina degaramu shurgigate sen taqaretin halakantu yakano galalan garina ma fakatu kagarani sa summi hantunu tiye ayadu kana filataje ummanni filatu شقيقاتي سنتا قررتين هلاكمتو
مراد بين أوروميا والوذينيا بإثيوبيا نحن نريد بحريتنا ولا بحرية بأيدينا إن شاء الله بنا كريم ونمسك هذا عبد إلي المجرم الذي قتل أبناءنا الوذينيا وبنات الوذينيا الذي في الحرب من جلدة وعنده أنف ونحن نريد اليوم بهذه المظاهرات الكبيرة إن شاء الله بحريتنا إن شاء الله بنا كريم ولكن هذا المجرم عبد إلي ليس له ضمير يكفي إنما هو أهبل يكون هناك الأمريكا لكي يمسك بحريتنا ولكن نحن لا نريد إثيوبيا ملس بل نحن نريد بحريتنا إن شاء الله أضروا الحرية وحريتهم إن شاء الله بالله كريم صلى الله عليه وسلم
أتو أمانو دوبي أتقبلوا أتو أمانو دوبي بهونو جزيك بزيك بطابة مجنجت كإثيوبيان كأوغادين كأفار كانواك تولاجوش غرب مهون የኢትዮጵያ መንግስት መልእክተኞች በመቃወም ላይ ናቸው ሚስተር ዱቤ I have seen like I said I just talked to a gentleman from Ogaden region and I have never seen such coordination such organization to show your unity to protest against the Ethiopian government. What kind of message are you trying to relay to the people of Ethiopia here in Minnesota and as a whole in particular and to American people in general?
The message here is very simple. What we need is the Mallas regime came to power through military force and they came and seized the people of Oromia, Ogadeni, Ethiopians, everybody in that country using the right system. For the last 20 years, they have been delivering false democracy to get support from the Western government, including the United States. The message here is they have never done any democracy. What they have done is killing, dividing us, and butchering, selling our lives, and killing our families, children, students. What we are saying is no more false democracy, no more lying to Westerners by the name of terrorism. It is absolutely Mallas regime enemies. Butchers has to go. The message is all people under operation of his regime. We need to get united and we need to once for all, in a very short time, repeat the history of victory of people in Tunisia and Egypt and now going to Libya. That's what message we are sending. There's no more time for Mallas. He has to go as soon as possible.
Thank you, Mr. Dube. Thank you. I appreciate it.
This is Oromo TV. We are here to protest Ethiopian regime. We are here to send a strong message to the regime that we are no longer afraid and we are no longer going to be silenced. So I have here Kadra. Kadra, how do you see today for our demonstration?
I think the demonstration is going really well. We have people from different ethnics in Ethiopia, and they're all here to protest against the Ethiopian delegation, which is trying to mislead the public. So we're here to send a strong message.
Since you have this opportunity, what would you say to Meles directly to him?
There's only one thing to say to Meles. Meles needs to go. Simple stat.
And we are from Ogaden community, and we stand together with our brothers Oromo, Gambela, Uraga. All Ethiopians need justice. And assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Soomaalida waxa uu sheegaynaa in haddaan Ogaden community aan garab taaganahay Oromada and all the Ethiopians ay ka mid yihiin. Waxaan rabnaa justice, and this is a really great opportunity for us to raise our voice and to be heard. So please next time make sure that you come to this. It's very important. It's not only that we're coming together, but we are here to make sure that our tax dollars are not spent on terrorism, oppression, corruption. So please next time, Oromo, Ogaden, Gambela, stand together. It's time we speak. Meles is the real Gaddafi of Ethiopia. Meles has to call. You cannot be president for what? Prime minister forever.
It's time for you to go home.
Change we need. Like Obama said, change. Yes, we can.
duraan dursa jalqaba jechotaan si qaba oromiyaan biyyati ya oromo mandiga khiya namni biya beheroro alagatif akami debi'ee jibba sabasaati waligalan alagalan jecha mangudooti haya humamiti khanda bartasana khaduftu bilisuma khambaynati sima khata yaron amma jolumati yaradila hanga arra dini oromo taala farya e jeni mekadu e garim biya be sena oromo tayomin me fitati kumasituke garana fsadide iji imimani garunu madufa guyam bilisuma hanga muchumale hinkamne gabruma
Oromia shall be free. No, I'm saying namni ilmina ma hondi amata kaba kuni amani Oromo sigale Oromo bakunda auto katani walid dufne bi khenya kabachu gamna warra garaf bolo lukhanas kharata kabasne. No, I'm saying garaf radi saati takahatan sininjanna. You know tarafa ma freestyle da kan sinirahaya yo khane nutitakatane kuno arraduru sila bilisomne sininja. You know khuta khudata khaysa wali burke gala nas de muniyar kam bakake gafa takatani nutkani lafa namako famti binesi yom rafa ilmina ma onne walini umama sudada firati rutimbafne nama walingalini khanutu fachise alagan ngenye samura nubase khase biyara nubase base akasi nindenna oromo ondinu takataha garajina de mulisa ino ramsen oromia tenya free guru kamna galatoma now here for the same cause, you know what I'm saying? Oromia free guru daf gabane hakhanu takahatanu galatoma